Good morning, traders. In front of you, Alpha Fibonacci System, identifying very critical key ultimate buy point. Right now, intelligent trader not touching the market to the upside. Powerful pullback is crucial. You trade markets as Alpha Fibonacci chess. Price reached critical key brick wall. If market collapsing right now, it's a gift. If price stuck in junky chop, it's not. That's it. Pure and simple. Critical key class today after the close of the trading room, where in a single class you see instantly. You will never need anything else. So as we're monitoring this pullback, what does the intelligent trader understands? Very clearly, institutions buying the market. This is Alpha Fibonacci chess. What is the problem? Bullish rally overextended without powerful pullback. Nothing here to do for trader who trades small retail account. Lower is better. So in case you missed the events in the trading room yesterday, let me remind you. All we discussed with my brilliant students. Ultimate buy point is here. Absolutely no shorts. Let's go back to a day before. Here we are on November 30th. This is market close. Let's go back a day further. November 29th. Do you remember this chart? Do you remember what played out? Day trading reversal zone. Not the place to short. Your only option to buy from. This is predictive precision of institutional Alpha Fibonacci system traded globally across all instruments. There was no other option, only option to buy from. That's it. Bullish rally no longer at day trading reversal zone. This morning S&P skyrocketed drastically higher. This is a market that will test you to the core. This is a market stuck in chop 90+% of the time and then skyrockets higher. Without powerful pullback, trader understands that passing this psychological test, avoiding junky chop, avoiding weakness, is the ultimate test of your knowledge of pure price. There is no powerful pullback. There is only one option to avoid junky chop. As institutions in spectacular profit. This is retail chart that you can trade on any time frame. Overextended bullish rally no longer at 3914 number. 140 points later, this is not the market you want to buy. Buying here is gambling, not trading. So intelligent trader understands powerful pullback is a key. Otherwise, this is broker's heaven. Why is this playing out? You are looking at overextended institutional rally, where institutions holding positions and adding to their longs. But again, in case you missed ultimate institutional points of entry, this is the event in the trading room first week in October. As we discussed with my brilliant traders, there is only one option to buy the market, not to short. And again, you knew this many months in advance. This is ultimate Alpha Fibonacci chess. Here is Alpha Fibonacci System in January 22. I exit my long-term position on S&P index fund. I discuss with my students market setting up for institutional crash. And price starts selling off. What was a shocking point? This moment in the months of February. Do you remember the start of the war? My hometown is bombed. My friends on call. But what are we discussing with my students? This is institutional buy point, S&P skyrocketing 350 points plus. What is the problem? When it reaches reversal zone, it keeps selling off. This last 2 months. But move remains firmly down as price fails to skyrocket through this level. But what was the lesson during catastrophic event and potential start of World War III? Institutions kept buying the market. Bearish markets will test you to the core because institutions always buying on the way down. Averaging up and averaging down is a very powerful technique when you are managing millions and millions of dollars. Again, you knew this weeks and months ahead. But when market keeps failing from reversal zone, this is ultimate alpha Fibonacci chess, and the reason my students are dearest friends for life. Because those who understand the power of this did not get hurt in 2022. Understanding quite well. Months ahead, 3600 will define markets for years to come. So when institutions bought this level again, first week in October and throughout the entire month, this is a lesson on the power of riding markets with institutions, especially when you're trading your own small account. Everything changed when market been bought again. But this morning price is not at 3600. This morning on the first day of December, institutions are in spectacular profit, holding longs. So how you pass this is everything. How you manage institutional holds and day trading chop and brokers heaven will define your success forever. You must adjust to different market conditions. Institutional long rallies can last months and years. There is no bearish market. There is no powerful pullback. So when you trade pure price, you see this clearly. But if you don't, you're creating a problem. You blocking pure price. This can last days, weeks, and months and years when price will be in ultimate chop with powerful move less than 10% of the time. It's exact same thing this morning on Apple. When you can trade one, you can trade them all with Alpha Fibonacci System. Do you remember Apple in October? Let's review in case you missed. Because right now Apple reminding you again and again and again. Know where to buy and know what not to short into. That's it. Also, Apple reminding you, know where to exit your long. As Apple kept crashing from 175 as Critical key reversal zone. Not everyone meant to be a day trader, passing psychological test. But if 14-year-old can trade this, if 90-plus-year-old can trade this, anyone can. This is strategic, intelligent chess. Identical thing applies to every single instrument you decide what you want to trade. Is it Apple? Is it Bitcoin? Is it Netflix? Choice is yours. The most important part, to play by the rules. As Apple's showing you again and again and again, no matter how spectacular the earnings are, do not ever buy reversal zone, as Apple kept rushing through this level. And when long step in, again this morning, understand and separate bullish power versus bullish weakness. Historical crash on Tesla started at reversal zone. This is Tesla in November 2021. You're exiting Tesla at 400. You are not a gambler. Incredible trader who joined the course in January says to me non-stop, I wish I met you in November 2021. As a year later, Tesla collapsed 70+%. Here we are. Oops! Catastrophic sell-off until Tesla reaches reversal zone. That's it. When you can trade one, you can trade them all. But it all starts with separating power from weakness. No matter if you trade Apple or Tesla or Bitcoin or any instrument you choose to trade, know where to enter, know where to exit, know where to short versus to buy from. That's it. No gambling here. Only institutional predictive precision. But hold on one second. I identified historical crash on euro many months and years ahead. Did you know to buy euro at this level? We're discussing the trades in class. Did you know to buy pound at this level? Did you know where to exit pound from? It's black and white. It's simple. When you can trade one, you can trade them all. And you certainly have zero interest in holding long on Bitcoin. As I discussed for the last few years, intelligent trader has zero interest in buying Bitcoin. Alpha Fibonacci System said exit your long as Bitcoin reached reversal zone. That's it. You are smarter, much smarter than Michael Saylor, who is losing 6 billion in one day. So those who've been hyping Bitcoin, been obliterated, and this continues non-stop. I've been extremely bearish on Bitcoin, spelling it out for the last 2 years, time and time again. Absolute Ponzi scam, absolute worst markets on earth. When exact same people who providing security for crypto stealing crypto non-stop. I know exactly the building they lived in, right next door to New York Stock Exchange. The whole point is, anyone and everyone who said Bitcoin is safe know nothing. Alpha Fibonacci System said, short Bitcoin, do not buy Bitcoin. when Bitcoin reached reversal zone. So if you're done trading on hype, on noise, on junk, I look forward working with you. With Alpha Fibonacci System, you can trade across all platforms, all instruments, all time frames. And if you traded 5 minutes this year, you produced hundreds and hundreds of points on S&P mini future. You see it in a single class. I'm only interested working with intelligent strategic traders who done gambling. And if you want to trade with software for Ninja Trader 8, of course you can. Powerful pullback is a gift. It played out yesterday in Asian session. Trade is not on 3-minute. I projected trade on 3-minute chart. We discuss with traders in classes trades on multiple different charts. What's important to know? This is not little. This is institutional critical key brick wall. We're testing again this morning. This was a gift, the powerful pullback. Precise entry, precise stop, precise targets. And how price reversed from reversal zone is a stunning reminder. When you can trade one, you can trade them all with Alpha Fibonacci System. And what's important to know? You can short US dollar, of course, when US dollar reaches reversal zone. And you knew this months and months and months ahead. This is US dollar on September 1. Bullish rally is on. There is only one obstacle left to break through this zone. That's it. That's the power of the system. That you can trade once a day, once a month, once a week, once an hour, or every 5 minutes. System based on pure price. You will never need anything else. Never, ever, ever. And that's Alpha Fibonacci System. Going back months and years. And that's frozen junky and choppy S&P right now. Intelligent trader understands the difference between weakness versus power. This was powerful pullback. This is what you need now. But it's not present. It's non-existent. And that's a crucial key part of your trading. Separating weakness versus power. Power is not present, walk away. Avoid the weakness. So this is what defines aggressive trading. Why? Because institutional traders can add 2 positions anywhere. Institutional traders 400 plus points in profit. This what defines aggressive trading if retail trader trades these markets. Absolutely weakness on short side. Absolutely no power. And that's what intelligent trader understands and knows each and every day when trading these markets. And that's a crucial part of today's live class. So if you're joining us, it's one of the smartest things you have ever done. So you can always view the system in the live markets in the trading room. You can always come and ask questions. If you're joining us today, you're making one of the most brilliant decisions in your life. You will be prepared for the next crisis if you're making an effort. And you can day trade the markets or position trade. You can trade bonds. You can trade Forex. You can trade metals, commodities. Traders from micro to macro account trading these markets. Listen to students' podcasts updated weekly. View students' performance. If these traders can do it on Forex and crypto, if this trader can do it on S&P mini future, If this trader can do it on options, so can you. Choice is yours what you want to trade. This proven by traders all over the world. When complete beginner trader Pablo doubles his wife's retirement account, so can you. The only thing you have to do is make an effort and trade with rules. So please review all the options on website. And if you have any questions for me, do not hesitate to contact me. Currently, we're offering savings with $8,000 for private mentoring, which includes all live classes, all group classes, video library, and modules in every option. Second package is the most popular package with 5,000 in savings. First and third option across all platforms, which again included in every package. Software for Ninja 8 in package 2 and 4. Any questions for me? Do not hesitate to contact me. 925-257-4298 or info@fibinstitute.com. Let's take a break and prepare for live class as S&P remains stuck in chop. But when trade reaches reversal zone, it reminds you, do not create your own targets. Do not speculate. Do not gamble. Trade markets as intelligent strategic trader as Alpha Fibonacci chess.